this video, we will explain about activities and ill effects of building construction, the definition of green building, and our chosen green building, which is Shanghai Tower. Human activity has been the main cause of environmental degradation for thousands of years. Some human activities that cause damage to the environment include overpopulation, pollution, deforestation to seek more space for buildings, and more. Buildings, on the other hand, are one of the biggest contributors to climate change, as their construction, operation, and maintenance consume a lot of energy and have a big impact on the environment.
The construction of a new building can cause harm to the environment in many ways. Most of the time, deforestation and excavating happens for infrastructure expansion, such as road building and urbanization. This activity can destroy wildlife and habitats. Next, the construction process requires the burning of fossil fuels, which refers to the burning of oil, natural gas, and coal to generate energy. When fossil fuels are burned, nitrogen oxides are released into the atmosphere, contributing to smoke and acid rain creation, which then harms the environment. Besides that, the construction activities are the major source of pollution. For example, land clearing leads to air pollution, construction debris and dirt cause water pollution, and lastly, noise pollution occurs from vehicles, machinery, and heavy equipment noises. To conclude, building can be a genuine environmental threat even though they give huge economic benefits. The buildings in which we live, work, and play protect us from natural disaster. Yet, they also affect our health and environment in countless ways. The need and desire for more energy efficient and ecologically friendly building practices spawned the modern green building movement. The definition of a green building is when the construction and operation encourages a healthy environment for all involved, and it also will not disturb water resources, land, and energy in or around the building.
The ideal green building project would be one that allowed you to retain the majority of the natural environment surrounding the project site while still being able to construct a functional structure.
To be precise, let us focus on Shanghai Tower. The tower boasts a total of 43 different sustainable technologies, including renewable energy sources, extensive landscaping to help cool the building, and a unique shape which help improve the building's wind resistance. These technologies have allowed the building to reduce its total energy consumption by 21%, slash its carbon footprint by an estimated 37,000 metric tons yearly, and save $58 million in material costs. This tower provided 6,700 water control valves, the highest number they have ever had in a single building, that contribute greatly to the efficiency of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system within the tower. The control valves work by automatically sequencing control and ensuring the right balance of water flow in the kilometers-long piping. This increases efficiency and reduces wastage while also ensuring that people in any floor can get the temperature they want quickly, regardless of temperatures, throughout the rest of the building. The first point is energy from renewable resources.
There are 271 turbines spinning at the top of the tower, which can generate up to 1.19 million kilowatt of green power per year. About 10% of that needed. The building is wrapped in 2 layers of glass for natural cooling and ventilation. Secondly, designed with 20,589 wall panels, with 7,000 unique shapes, the double-skin glass facade is suspended from above on massive cantilevered trusses and stabilized by hoop rings and struts. The circular inner glass facade required 14% less glass than a square building of the same floor area. The primary reasons for choosing sentry glass as the interlayer were to enhance strength it provided to the overall glass assembly and the elimination of any edge delamination due to exposed glass edges in the structural silicone glazing. Centric glass also contribute to the overall sustainability of the tower by allowing the light coating to be used in conjunction with the interlayer for solar control. Thirdly, the building collects rainwater used for gardens, toilet, and cooling and heating systems. The rain collection system can recycle 25% of rainwater and supplies 245,000 cubic meters of water to the tower every year, reducing the tower's water consumption by 53%. Lastly, the design of the tower's glass facade, which complete a 120-degree twist as it rises, is intended to reduce wind loads on the buildings by 24%. This reduces the amount of the construction materials needed. The Shanghai Tower used 25% less structural steel than a conventional design of a similar height. Besides that, it measures that developers claim cut 34,000 metric tons from its annual carbon footprint. The building is wrapped in 2 layers of glass for natural cooling and ventilation, and in total developers say a third of the site is green space, including 24 sky gardens sitting between the two schemes. That is all, and thank you.